Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. Here in this lecture, we are going to see the data types. In data types, there are two subtypes. One is primitive data type and other is non-primitive data type, which is also known as reference data type. As you see in this hierarchy, for primitive and non-primitive, we have more subtypes such as numeric, non-numeric, integer, floating point, character, and boolean. These are all for primitive one. And for non-primitive, we have class, array, interface, object, string. There is one more called enum, which is a part of non-primitive data type. Before we jump in and see data types practically, I just need you to make sure you have IntelliJ IDE installed in your machine. Also, you need Java JDK installed in your machine. If you won't have that, I will put the links in the description so you can easily see the videos and according to that you can install the same in your machine. So let's begin. So here is the interface which look like whenever you install IntelliJ IDE in your machine and you open it first time. What you need to do, you just need to click on this new project icon. Here there is a pop-up comes up. It is Java selected by default and the name is untitled. You just need to name it whatever you want. I'm just naming it Java. The location is default, which is in IntelliJ projects. It is a default folder location. Let it be as it is. Okay, just remaining setting would be as it is. If you have Java 17 installed in your machine, then it will automatically select Java 17. If you have Java 8, it will select Java 8. If you have latest Java version, it will show the latest Java version too. Then you just simply need to be clicked on create. Okay, here is what the interface look like once you created the project. Let this complete. So IntelliJ IDE is setting itself up for you. So you can code in Java. Okay, let me clear these things. As you see now on screen, this is our play area where we are going to check data types first. So I will give you a little intro about the project structure. You can see there is a main project called Java. Inside that we have some different projects and folders created. One is .idea, one is out. This is a temporary folder, hence it is appearing in orange. There is a one src folder. This is our main folder where our code is stored. Inside this src folder, we have this package called Java1, and inside that Java1 package, we have one class which is called as main. Okay, you can create number of packages as you want in src folder. Similarly, in any of package, you can create number of classes in it. Here, by default, when the structure is created, there is a main class automatically added. You can rename it and also you can delete and add a new one as per your convenience. Okay, I'm just putting it same. I just change its name. Let's say Java learn. Just hover on it and rename. So you can see here, initially we have a structure which says like public class Java learn, which is our class name, and there is one main method, which is nothing but public static void main string args. I will tell you about this both in upcoming lectures, but today we are going to see only the data types and their variables. So in data types, as we see, there are two main subtypes. One is primitive and another is non-primitive. As we earlier see this diagram where we have data types such as primitive and non-primitive and their subtypes. So let's see one by one each of them. Let's move to the next slide. As you see on screen, for primitive data types, we have their subtypes such as boolean, character, integer, and float. For boolean, there is a data type called boolean. It is written in the same way as shown. No matter you put capital B or small b, doesn't matter, just spelling should be the same. Another data type is for character. It is nothing but char. For integer, we have some different four types of data types such as byte, short, int, long. For float, we have two different types, which is float and double. These are mostly used to represent decimal values. Similarly, for non-primitive data type or reference data type, we have data types such as array, class, interface, string, and enum. In next lecture, we see some practical examples with these data types. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.